That's crazy. Oh my god. Whoa! Okay, that was kind of sick. Before we get any further in the video, I want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by the one, the only Raid Shadow Legends, baby. That's freaking right. You can play Raid anywhere on mobile or on desktop. I mean, I'm even playing right here. You have 10 dungeon bosses and you take on 10 terrifying bosses. You complete an awesome story campaign with 12 unique locations and build champions from every faction and collect hundreds of unique champions, hundreds of powerful champions. There are over 25 million players and it's literally the hottest mobile game right now. So putting all that together, you basically have a game that has infinite and endless ways to play. They just released their biggest update ever. You have the Doom Tower with 120 floors and a bunch of secret challenge rooms. I personally love all of the diverse locations and the graphics and all the unique characters that you can explore throughout. I'll be honest, I'm not really a dude for these kind of games, but Raid has shown me what they can truly be about and how fun they really could be. All you guys watching this video, if you guys want to get a huge head start in the game, all you gotta do is click my special link in the description and you'll get free Void Champion, an XP booster, and 50 gems and some energy refills and some Ancient Shard as soon as you get in the game. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link and I'll see you guys in the war zone, baby. My car obviously has coilovers already, if you guys didn't know, because it was a lot lower at one point, all slammed. Not really. Stances. Yes, it was. Not really. The coilovers in question that the car currently has are really ancient, old tains that honestly could be shot for all I know. They're pretty bad and they ride like crap. So we're putting some very fancy new boys on the car.
They're Olin, right?
Yes, these are Olin's coilovers. If you didn't know, Olin's makes some of the nicest, most exquisite coilovers, and they basically make them for race cars. Race coilovers, so perfectly tuned for the racetrack. So the only downside is honestly they may not last that long for the street, but while on the street, these are gonna be incredible. These are literally some of the best coilovers you could get for any car, and not too cheap either. Sticking with probably the exact same ride height that we had before because I'm trying to keep this car functional. I don't want to hear it.
Lowest function.
I don't want to hear it. Oh, that was satisfying.
So you just
Thanks.
Close it, please. Oh, look at the close.
Bro.
No!
Give my door some respect, dog.
It's the wrap. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Wrap will be the excuse for everything. Just starts keying it. It's a wrap. It's alright.
It's literally fine.
It's alright. It's a wrap.
Me trying to open. Me trying to
they're in there.
1 second, I almost got the hood.
Yo, Mission Impossible, get into the car to get the wheel lock. Is there a jack pole on the other side too?
There it is, but I think it's okay now.
I'm still really trying though. Dang.
Yes.
He works out.
Yeah, I work in a gym.
I want to show you the extent of how screwed up my coilovers are.
Okay.
So you see this right here? That's
Yeah.
the dampening adjustment.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, let's go look at the other side.
Why is it like that?
There's nothing you can adjust the dampening with on this side. The screw has completely sheared off. Oh my god. Basically, I have no dampening adjustment on this side. And I think the last time we adjusted the dampening, they were adjusted to pretty damn stiff.
I think we just maxed them out last time.
Yeah, I think so. It's literally stuck, maxed out on dampening to maximum stiffiness.
Dude, I'll monkey up there and go get it. Okay, monkey up there. Yeah, one sec. I'll go monkey up there.
I mean, Austin's actually taller, I'm pretty sure. Oh, who's gonna get it first?
Ow!
Brennan.
Monkey moment.
Winner! Brennan.
Just need to be able to reach the back.
What is this?
The air hose.
Oh. So what do I do with this?
What did he say?
I hope so too. Damn, homie sounded like Guido out here. So we got the car fully up, all the wheels off. We're gonna try and tackle this as a team. Brendan's gonna do the rear, Austin's gonna do the front, and I'm gonna do an oil change.
Teamwork.
I got the little child's job that they have to give him to make him feel like he's doing something, you know?
You got the controller without batteries.
We got the first one out. This is what our old little Tane, or Tine, or how is it? Tane, like pain, which
pain.
These gave me a lot of pain. Meanwhile, oil's draining. I'm not gonna have a fun time getting at my oil filter, because that black thing that's way down in there.
That black thing?
I can just do it right now, it'll go all over you.
No! Are these from the You ready?
Yes!
Wow, that's so awesome. I'm gonna jump down.
Oh. Monkey moment.
Monkey moment.
Fastest coilover install in the West.
I would say so.
I mean, if you add it up, I feel like that was under an hour.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Which is, for us, that's good. We ain't no Luigi or Guido, but hey man, we could do this at a decent pace.
Someone's playing Midnight City. M83. You use that in a Pimp My Minecraft house video.
He's got good taste in music, man. What can you blame him for?
This is what I was listening to when GTA 5 came out.
As long as it just doesn't copyright my video, you know.
Well, did it copyright the Minecraft Pimp My House video?
Oh yes, I'm sure it did. Is he precise with it? Do it no funnel?
Oh, you already know.
Oh shoot. Oh damn, not even a speckle anywhere on my engine cover.
Wait, listen to the hole. Here's a hole up here.
Oh yeah, the front Olins all in there, and then the rears all up in there. I just realized they're McDonald's colors. You got yellow and red. We should be good to go. I'm super excited on how these are gonna feel. Oh my god!
Oh my Lanta, bro.
Jesus!
Oh, the foot needs to go down.
Oh.
Still needs to go down.
Do you want me to give you a little push?
Yeah, give me a little push, bud. Oh wait. I panicked in a sec.
Oh, certified!
So you can write your oil.
Certified HKS sticker that I could write when I did the oil change. Damn, HKS just makes everything cooler.
Give me a sec. This was much easier with mine.
The transfer.
There we go.
Yes.
Look at that.
We're HKS certified. Literally, everyone always asks, what's next for this car? And the one thing that I wanted to do for the longest time was improve the suspension. Because as pretty as it is to look at and as beautiful as it sounds, it literally rode like crap. Oh. Anyways, now we got them expensive Olins on there. This thing's got to freaking float like a Cadillac and sting like a beaver. I gotta stop with the Cars references. Now, oh my gosh, these coilovers ride so much freaking better. The best way I could explain it is that it literally creates a false illusion to me that I feel like my car is elevated so much higher off the ground than it was, even though it's exactly the same height. And the reason why I had that false illusion is because the car feels like a cloud and it just feels like it's above everything and it doesn't take in anywhere near as much bumps and vibrations as before. Unlike doing exhaust modifications or even power modifications, unfortunately I can't really get across to you guys how much of a difference it made or how exactly it feels. I really wish there was just something I could do to allow you guys to understand the mod that I added. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the famous Washington Red Brick Road. Today, we're gonna be testing our brand new, pristine Olins coilovers that we have on the car. To what extent did the coilovers really make a difference, and how smooth does the R32 ride now? What we're gonna do is we're gonna conduct a little test. I have a mug filled basically to the brim of I mean, water, so, you know. And as you can guess, I'm basically gonna drive down the red brick road. And, well, let's just say, hopefully my pants aren't too drenched when we're done here. Start up the car. I don't know at what speed I'm gonna take this. Probably like 15 to 20 miles an hour, because, you know, don't want to break any laws out here on red brick road. So, just give it some little gas. Oh! Oh no. Okay, picking up a little bit of speed now. Honestly, it's not the bumps where the water is coming out. It's honestly just the acceleration, like the initial launch. Oh, okay, now it's coming out a little bit more. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. The water is dripping down my sleeve. Oh. Some traffic coming by. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Oh no. Okay, there's a little bit more. It's honestly holding up now. I think we've probably lost enough. Oh! It keeps on going down my shirt sleeve. It's the most discomforting feeling ever. I don't want to attend any public events now because it looks like I just wet myself. Anyways, now we know how good Öhlins are. I will admit, if this was on my previous setup, the entire thing probably would be drained out. So I think the Öhlins actually held up well. Look, it got down to my elbow. We have the HKS towel here, the holy towel. It's doing its good. Don't cheap out on coilovers, get some nice Öhlins, and that's a wrap on this.
Can you get my car? I have gloves in there. Can you get my car?
Your hands are just freezing by the second. Who's gonna be the victim? Alright, I'll take this as my weapon of choice. Tim, it's gonna take a couple hours, but when I'm done, this will be a prime ice sculpture of your face. Aiden, what is this?
You know, I really don't know.
It's come from your car.
Yeah, you know, I got it when I got the car back from the body shop. It was just sitting in my back seat. There's also my fog light mounts back there, but like my fog lights obviously aren't here yet.
For you, Mr.
Well, they are here, but you know, I'm too lazy.
You're gonna have to be a lot more subtle now. I think they know something's up. Do we need?
Yeah.
Here.
Yo, it's fish eyes. I forgot. Fish eyes.
It's going on someone. Wow, what a waste.
There's more!
Oh, more fish eyes. Good news. Thank you.
Oh, it's so gross. Why are you picking it in your hair? Bitch, you bitch!
It's alright, it's ceramic coated. It'll just slide right off.
You are very lucky that my back broke that. He just freaking hell on 3-wheel. That's like a 2-wheel almost. And all I smell is clutch now. Oh my god. Cameron, you absolute sender. You literally, that was like almost 2-wheeling.
Dude, I felt it slipping. Don't even know how to drive, man. Well, I need you alright, man? Oh, I need a fork real quick. I can wreck myself. Are you okay? Have you been drinking?
No, he's good, he's good. He's just making sure he has clearance.
Hey, don't worry about him. He's a little power hungry.
Thanks, guys. You're all good. That's what's just bound to happen when you go to spots like that.
I know.
I got like 2 shots.
I just wanted to attempt it.
Yeah. So we're gonna reveal the winners of the Logitech wheel giveaway. We did 3 wheels and we did 3 social media platforms that you can enter them. So we're gonna start with Instagram. So all my Instagram posts, I have all of your guys' comments all loaded out. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do one big scroll, and wherever my finger lands, that is going to be the winner for the Instagram one. Let's go, and poop. Dylan right here and he suggested that he wanted it in PC. He's going to be the winner for the Instagram one, so I will save his account. YouTube is up next. Give ourselves a good scroll and stop right here. Non-stop CLM. Oh, he's got some videos. 18 subscribers. Well, maybe you will see a future video from him with a Logitech wheel. And last but not least, Twitter. So let's give a good scroll. Stop. At Adam Miller with Xbox One. So, big thank you guys for all of you who entered into the 3 Logitech wheel giveaways. Congratulations to the 3 winners out there, and hope you guys enjoy your brand new Steelman wheel.
Scared the shit out of me.
Ultra.